AWS Bedrock simplifies AI model deployment and management. Its standout chat with document feature allows you to interact with datasets conversationally, delivering precise, instant answers. Today, we will leverage this feature to explore sample datasets from PredictHQ and show you how quickly you can derive meaningful data-driven insights. Let's dive into our demo. Firstly, let's get started with Bedrock and go to the Builder tool. And we're gonna use the new feature called Chat with your document here. Let's select a model. And we're gonna choose a document, which is a sample dataset from PredictHQ on S3 bucket. So the sample dataset contains detailed information about upcoming events in Seattle during the first week of July, which we will explore using the interactive chat feature. So the first question and I want to ask is list all events with predicted attendance exceeding 5,000, and for each event, please provide the type, date, and predicted event spend. Great, let's see what we got here. So we have 5 events with predicted attendance exceeding 5,000 for the first week of July in Seattle. So the first one is the Seattle Pride Fest, which has predicted event spend of $25 million, followed by the Beverly Family Force Festival, where the predicted event spend is actually $4 million. And then it's Isaac Family Farmer Market and the Seafair Festival. The last one is Built to Spill Festival, which has predicted event spend around $73,000. And the next question, I'm interested in the more specific to sports event. So, which sports event has the highest predicted attendance? Again, please provide the event date, predicted attendance, and predicted event spent. Okay, let's look at what we have here. So sports event, which with the highest predicted attendance is a Seattle Mariners versus Baltimore Orioles games on the 4th of July, with a predicted attendance of 36,000 people coming there. And the predicted event spent for this game is, for total is $3.8 million. With a breakdown for accommodation is 1.3 million, predicted event spent for hospitality is 1.9 million, and for transportation is around $500,000, more than $500,000. So last question, I'm gonna do a bit role play here. So imagine I'm a hotel manager. I know events impacting my demand, and I need to adjust my room price based on that. So the question I'm gonna ask is from the 1st of July to the 7th of July 2024, which event has the highest predicted event spent on accommodation? Please include the event type, date, predicted attendance, and predicted event spent for accommodation. Okay, so we have the answer here. The event with the highest predicted accommodation spent during the first week of July is the Seattle Pride Fest, which has predicted attendance around 300,000 people, and accommodation spent is $4.7 million. Thank you for joining me today. This demo showcased how AWS Bedrock's interactive AI and PredictHQ's rich event data can transform your decision-making process. By integrating real-world context into AI models, PredictHQ enables business to anticipate and adapt to market changes with precision and agility.